Go for it. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on, see what bounce. No, right, right.
I'm jumping. I'm scared. Right, is it on?
Just cut it out. Go on. Okay, so. Nice spark. Spark plugs a nice spark. Right. Okay. Give me it fired up.
How? Did you just pour the pedal straight into where the spark plug goes?
Soaking it. Right, okay, so what we need to do is take your hook. Soaking. Dry. Oh yeah, we're clean anyway.
Fits and the Tantrums and Sweet Dreams are made of this. We got a live track from Elbows. You've got a choice now. You could take a break for like 3 or 4 minutes.
Yeah, let's listen to Elbow.
Yeah? Okay, we'll do that. Come on right up.
On September the
Whoa.
BBC Radio 2 is hosting a festival in a day in London's Hyde Park, starring Will Young, James Blunt, Lenny Kravitz, Beverly Knight, and Lionel Richie. And all this week, we're giving away tickets to be at this unique event. BBC Radio 2's Live in Hyde Park ticket giveaway concludes tomorrow. Listen from 6:30 with Chris Evans.
Is that on 6 or 12 volts?
Concert on Radio 2 to Pretender.
You see the spark.
That occasionally does.
Now, last night, Elbow
Right, so that
performed
should
at
be
the
like-
occasionally does.
Festival in
Right, now
Belfast.
put them back in
They're
again.
on stage this weekend.
Should be like
at the Leeds
Here
Concerts.
inside the cylinders too.
Gonna feed them, we wish you a really good time.
See what the pedal.
Might rain a little bit, but who cares?
Breathe.
To whet your appetite, here's Elbow performing Grounds for Divorce at the BBC's Maidavale Studios in 2008.
It might just go.
And some of the sessions.
Right, plugs back on. Right, got it.
See, that's not sparking.
No, that's because it's contacts are off.
Right. Ready?
Right, see, if it does that, take it off, okay? Right. Can you tie it around?
Hey, this thing sounds like it's dying.
Dynamite, they put it in charging.
Oh well. This still sounds like 12 volts.
Alright, but it's not very strong, is it? Which?
We'll try it the other way around.
It's on the yellow.
Try it the other way around.
Let's see on it. Alright, now it goes. This back on here. That onto there. And this onto there. Negative power. This is negative watch. Oh well.
So how do you charge this thing up?
By plugging it in and
Is there a
charge it.
plug for it? Right. So Tomorrow night.
Tomorrow night will be.
Sparking. Booming.
Well, we'll take his plugs out and we'll came up with speed.